Hello YouTubers, how's everybody doing in YouTube land? I'm doing pretty good, hopefully you are too. Today we are still dibbly-dabbling on the old 4Runner here. A couple days ago I had a miss. Changed coils around, took care of it, but over the last 2 days the miss is back. I'm going to show you something. This is how you find out if you got a bad coil or not. Now the other night, in my last video, we swapped a coil around. I had a PO300 and I swapped the coil from number 5 to number 1. And now, today the mist started back up again. And this 4Runner has only three coils, but they are double duty coils. They run the opposite cylinders, which I'll show you here in a few seconds. So we got a PO301, and check this out on the scan tool here. PO301. So we know we got a bad coil. I'm going to go ahead and start this up. It's a little loud. I got the muffler off, but you might hear the miss. I think you can, there's a dead miss right there. So the coil did go bad. Apparently the coil is bad. So that was interesting. I knew it probably wouldn't last very long, but if you're having a miss on a engine and you have the coils that you can pull off the coil packs, a lot of time you can just switch them around, and you can take a lot of guesswork out trying to figure out why you have a miss versus the cylinder, the spark plug, and all that. A lot of times it can be just a bad coil. So if you switch them around like I did, you can find out which coil might be bad. So like I said, I had a PO305 earlier, and I had a PO300, which was a random misfire. And turns out now I got a PO301, so I know it's that cylinder there. And let's see, I think it's on pending codes here. It's not going to be a stored code. Read code, let's see if it shows back up. Pending codes. Yes, it's PO301. But if I go back to just a stored code, it hasn't actually showed up yet because it hasn't. You have to cycle the key so many times before it actually shows up as a code, if you can understand all that. So we'll go out here real quick. Shut it off. And if you're having a miss in your vehicle and you got these old coil packs, you know, it's pretty cool to change them around, and you can do a lot of a process of elimination. Now my coil packs are right here. One of them is actually right there. If you can see that right there, you get the sun just right there, the camera. That one down with the sticker on it right there, that's actually a factory coil pack that's on there. So I have two of those still on there, and someone replaced one of the coil packs, which is up here, and you're not going to be able to see it, but we swapped those two there for number 5 around and number 1 around. And before, this cylinder was missing. Now this cylinder is missing. So that's how you figure that out. So I thought I'd make a quick video if you guys are having any problems with your engines and you can swap coil packs around. It will eliminate the process there, letting you know if it's a coil pack's bad or if it's something else that's bad. Now what I've done, I've gone on eBay, and let me show you real quick. And here are my new coil packs. I picked up 3 of these babies for $26, free shipping. Can't beat that. So we're going to put some new coil packs on it when it gets in, and hopefully that'll take care of the issue. So somebody's probably put a bad one on there and thought it was good, and it turned out just caused the issue with it missing again. So kind of nice to have these coming here shortly. So there you go in a nutshell. We'll wait for the new coil packs to come in. Should be here in a couple of days, and we'll stick them on, and we'll see if that takes care of the problem. It sure probably will. If you looked at my last video, you can see how I went through the process of elimination, figuring it out if it was a coil plug versus a bad cylinder compression or valve. Pretty easy to do, so hopefully this will help you guys out a little bit. So that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. Pretty quick video today, but until my next video, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.